Today I'm going to show you how to set up a HTC 500, including the diamonds and the vac, plug-in and the functionality. So let's start off first with the diamonds. Now, as you can see, there's 6 segments on these heads. We're only going to be using 3 diamonds on each head. So a total of 9, and away we go. Right, so that's our diamond set up. So now we're going to go to the skirt. As you can see, I've already put it on the back. Can be a little bit fiddly at the back, just because of the wheels in the way. But if you just push it down at the bottom a bit, and then pull it round the wheels, bring this bit up, you've got a bit of hook on the back side of this rubber. You've also got a bit of hook on the back side of this one. Just attach it to that, bring it round, and away you go. Now this rubber's set just beyond the diamonds, just so when it touches the floor, as I'll show you in a minute, the rubber sits on the floor, causes a nice seal. As you can see, we haven't got too much of an overlap, all touching the floor all the way around. Now we've got the machine up, it's on the floor with the skirt's touching the floor all the way around. We've now got a good dust seal. So this machine in particular, 3-phase machine. Now some of these machines will come with phase indicators on it. Always check that the phase indicators are lit up before starting the machine, as you can have a phase down and it'll cause damage to the motor or the electronics inside. So let's get this plugged in. We'll get our vac plugged in. Sometimes, not this one in particular, but sometimes when you're putting the hose on to the connector, if you've got some gaffer tape, wrap it round, cause a good seal. Makes it better for yourselves, less airborne dust. You've got all the dust travelling out then, airborne. You will still have dust on the floor after grinding. It doesn't take everything up. So, we've got our diamonds on, we've got our skirt set up, got it all plugged in, vac's ready to go. I'll just spin this round for you to see. Now, on this we've got reverse, forward and stop. We've also got our emergency stop button there. Turn it right, let it pop back out, and away you can go. Right, with the handle, just a little R clip, pull that out, pull the pin out, set it to the height that you need it to. It does go down a little bit further, but you shouldn't need to. Put your R clip back through the pin, and then we're sorted with that. Start your vac up. Take a little bit of pressure off the head. In this instance, I press forward. Just diamonds anyway, so you can use it on reverse or forward. And away you go. come to stopping the machine, just press the stop button. You don't need to use the emergency stop. Not only that, if you need to go again, just press forward, reverse, whichever, and crack on again. Specifically with any grinder, always make sure before you start grinding, sweep the floor, make sure that there's no bolts protruding. This can cause serious damage to the machine and the internals of the head, and no one wants the repair cost for that. Everything else really is pretty simple. Plug and play. Make sure you've got the diamonds on. Always make sure you've got the diamonds on, because some people do tend to not put them on and it grinds down the heads. You don't want that repair cost either. And that's it for the 500.